would like to welcome you to Chicago, where the local time is approximately 4:32. For your continued safety, remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the gate. At that time, the captain will turn off the seatbelt sign. That will be your only indication that it's safe to move about the cabin and collect any belongings you brought on board. Use caution when opening overhead bins. Smoking is prohibited until you have reached the designated smoking area. If your carry-on bags were left plainside in Wichita, they will be available for pickup plainside as you exit the aircraft. If this is your final destination, you may pick up your checked baggage at the baggage claim area. If you have a connecting flight, any checked baggage will be transferred automatically. Feel free to turn on your cellular service to use your mobile phone. All larger portable electronic devices must remain off and stowed. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance Network, and your entire Chicago-based flight crew, thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We hope to see you again on another United flight.